Hey guys, welcome back to PSCuber, and in this video I'm teaching you how to solve the megaminx. So the megaminx is just like the 3x3, but a little bit more than that. Instead of 4 edges, you have 5 edges, and instead of 4 corners, you have 5 corners. Now the first thing to know about megaminx is its notation. So we have only 2 notations, so that you hold your thumb and your index finger here, and if it says R plus plus, you remove R plus plus. And if it says R minus minus, you should do like this, R minus minus. And same thing goes for D plus plus, it's like this. And a D minus minus. Now guys, since we know about how the megaminx actually turns, let's scramble it and I'll teach you guys how to solve it. Alright guys, so now we're going to scramble megaminx, and if you're doing an advanced megaminx, you start from any color. But if you're doing beginner and intermediate, this is beginner, you should do white star. So just pick an edge that has white on it. So I'm gonna move these edges at the same time. So I'll do this, and so the green, then answer the red over there, as you can see. So now after that, so you want to just finish building a star like this, and like that. The next thing you should know is building F2L. So you should learn how to do F2L on your normal 3x3 before coming and doing F2L here. And I'll just speed solve it. So looking for pieces on the megaminx will be more difficult because that's how it is. Not a megaminx. You can insert like this. You can insert there. And if you guys know how to solve the first two layers of 3x3, you definitely know how to solve the first layer on the megaminx. Alright, so next step is to building on the S12, which is the second layer. And I'm just going to choose red on the second layer. So we build a red star. As you can see here. Then we build its cross and F12 pair. As you can see there, and there's 12. So we're going to go like this inside the back. Oh no, this okay, so the next thing is to do this of the dark green or the blue. Let's go with the dark green. So we just want to solve the dark green face and keep going till you get to your last layer. Just keep looking for pieces. As I promised, I'm going to be doing the blue color now. So it looks like I've already predicted my last layer, and for me gray is going to be my last layer. So I'm not sure how gray is going to be my last layer for each and every time, but so next leaf is all the yellow, and here you should be a bit more careful since it's F12 pair, and you have to break it up like this. And once you've been careful, you can solve the rest to F12 pair without any help at all. Alright guys, so now how to solve the last layer is you have 3 steps. So step number 1 is you get something like this, the L shape. So with the L shape we do F, inverse, sexy, and F prime. But for the bar like this, how to do it is you have some questions you guys can ask. How should I do the bar from here or from here? Well, the answer is do it from here. You do the alg, and then the last thing we're gonna get is one edge of this. We just do inverse sexy and F sexy. So next thing that I do after building the gray star is permuting the edges. So you can have 2 cases, or maybe 3 I think. So first off is when I have 2 adjacent edges, you do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime to solve them. Now you can also get something like this, where the edge is here the other one is here. So what you do is R U2 R prime U R U3 prime R prime. Now sometimes what you maybe can get, you also can find this, the edge on left, not right. So on my first comp for Mega, I asked Naren Loganathan how to do this. He said do the T pronunciation, then do this album. Then do the algo I just showed. But I found if you do a Y2 prime, then do the algo I showed, you don't have to do any more moves. Alright guys, after I orient the edges, I'm gonna permit the corners. So I rotate here and I keep doing the sexy move. You can do the sexy move twice or 4 times. So in this case I solved twice. In this case I solved 4 times. You can also have 2, 3, 4 or 5 corners misoriented. Just do them until it's like this. Now what you can get is sometimes you can get 4 corners misplaced, 3 corners misplaced, or all the corners misplaced. It depends where you want to start. So let's just say this place and we do R U R prime to bring that up, and then after that we find this place where you want to go. It needs to go here, so bring it its place and you do inverse. Now it's in this place, and next we need to find where this piece goes. But unfortunately this piece goes into this place, which is pretty bad. So what you do is you insert it to another pair like that. Then you find which corner this pair goes, or say there. Then you align where which this corner needs to go, and after that you just like that. So guys, if you don't know how to solve C-pop or beginner 3x3, rule won't help on megaminx on your first two layers, because this, if you do M like this, it'll be very awkward position. You can't just do M moves. So I suggest you can learn megaminx, and if you don't know how to solve megaminx, you can watch Cube Skills. His Felix videos are really nice. And yeah guys, that's my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy, and bye.